That
A.
A is for
Apple.
apple, and what's the other one?
A. Angel.
Angel. How about this?
B. Bus.
Bus. Next, what's that?
C. Clown.
C, clown. This.
D. Duck.
Dog, and what's the other one? What's this?
Duck.
Dog, yeah. What's this?
Same.
Yeah, they're the same. What's the other one? Dog and... Look! What's that? What's this?
D. Doll.
Dog. Next. What's that? Kira. What are you... Oh, no. Kira, look. Look. What's this?
Elephant.
Elephant. And what's the other one? Look at the next page. Oh.
E. Flag.
E, flag. What letter is this?
E.
F.
F.
F is for what? Nako, bising-bising ka sa phone mo, ha? Sabi mo again.
H. House.
H, house. Oh. How about this? Why? What happened? Ay, nako. So dirty mo na.